Off to a very quiet start across the area. Lots of clouds, and clouds will continue to build through the morning and the afternoon hours. So expect a partly to mostly cloudy sky, but rain chances will also continue to bump up as we head into the afternoon hours. Right now we're sitting in the upper 70s, feeling like the lower 80s because dew point temperatures and the humidity 94%. So it's super humid out there, no surprise there, and it's going to remain humid through really the rest of the weekend and also heading into the work week here. So taking a look at the live radar, I am tracking a few isolated showers really along our coastal areas near Buras, really seeing a good downpour in that area, but the metro area, the North Shore, are pretty dry at the moment. But as I mentioned before, things will definitely start to ramp up as we head into the afternoon. So just make sure you have the rain gear nearby if you're planning on doing anything today. There's a look at your current temperatures. It actually feels pretty nice outside if you haven't been outside quite yet. We're starting off in the lower 70s on the North Shore. Good morning, Hammond, 73, 74 in Bogalusa, upper 70s in Belle Chase and Slidell, and we're sitting in the mid 70s in Raceland, Thibodaux, and Homa. So here's a look at your hour by hour forecast. Temperatures are expected to climb into the middle to upper 80s today. So because of the rain, it is going to keep our temperatures below average some. But again, notice the rain chance is really bumping up afternoon today, a 60 to 70% coverage. So many of us will be dealing with the showers and some thunderstorms. And a few of those thunderstorms will have the potential of producing heavy rain. Here's a look at your local expert forecast. And you can see many of us are only climbing into the upper 80s. So at least we won't be dealing with that intense heat this afternoon. 89 in Slidell, Hammond, and also 88 degrees out in Thibodaux. So spotty showers will begin to ramp up as we head into the noon hour. But notice a few downpours are possible, again, really localized, and then things really starting to fire up as we get closer to the 5-6 o'clock hour, and then lingering showers as we head into tonight. We're looking at 8-9 o'clock. So if you're heading out to the Essence Festival, you want to make sure you have an umbrella with you just in case. And then closer to 11 midnight, a few lingering showers are possible, and we might see some downpours over southern Mississippi. The flooding potential, a marginal risk, meaning localized flooding possible, street flooding possible, but again, it will be isolated, and you can see that is for our entire area and stretching out to southwestern Louisiana. So the rainfall potential really as we head through today and also early Sunday morning, many locations picking up between a half of an inch of rainfall. But again, some areas might pick up a little bit more than that, maybe 2-3 inches, but it'll be super localized. So just keep that in mind for today. Now let's go ahead and talk about the tropic, because now we have two named storms for the season here. Tropical Storm Colin, which actually formed during the overnight hours. That's closer to the Carolinas, and also Tropical Storm Bonnie still holding on to its tropical storm status. The center of that storm is over Nicaragua right now. And also still looking at this tropical wave here. This is right near the Leeward Islands and the Windward Islands there. It has a 10% chance of any tropical formation, and you can see it's pretty messy. It's just really an area of showers, disorganized showers and thunderstorms, and it is fighting some wind shear as well. And it looks like a lot of long-range models takes it into this direction here. So I don't think it'll do much in the next 2 to 5 days, but of course we'll continue to monitor it. So there's Tropical Storm Colin. You can see it's also fighting some wind shear. Most of the convection is found on the eastern and southeastern side of the storm here, or the center of the storm, but it is going to be a rainmaker to portions along the Carolina coast as we head into the afternoon, also tomorrow morning. As maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour moving slowly to the northeast at 8 miles per hour. And it's going to continue that general movement as we head through today and also tomorrow. And there's the latest track there. It's going to hold on to its tropical storm status and continuing to skirt the coastal Carolinas through today and tomorrow morning, and really just head out to the Atlantic. Not a threat to us. Actually, we have no tropical threats to our area. We're still watching Bonnie here. It's really disorganized. You can see it is also fighting some wind shear, but it's actually expected to continue to move into the eastern Atlantic, and the water is super warm. And because of those factors, and also it's not going to fight a whole lot of wind shear, it could potentially become our first hurricane as early as Tuesday morning as it continues to move parallel to Mexico and just hold on to its hurricane status as we head into Thursday morning. Again, not a threat to our area, which is good news, but it will continue to be a rainmaker to areas over Central America. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 70% coverage for showers and storms, downpours possible, temperatures in the upper 80s, lower 90s tomorrow. We're only looking at a few showers and storms. 4th of July looking a bit drier. It's going to be hot and humid and looking at a lower rain chances as we head through the rest of the work week.